it's Umair here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to greet in French. So let's get started. Now, introduction to French greetings. Now, there are four different types of greetings. First of all, there is bonjour, which means good morning or hello. It is the most common greeting used throughout the day. And there's also bonsoir, which means good evening, and salut, hi, hello. Now, you can basically say it like friends, and then au revoir, which means goodbye. Alright, and also the importance of greetings in French culture. So greetings play a significant role in French culture as they reflect politeness, respect, and social norms. Alright, so greeting, there are like three different situations of greeting in French. So basically, like when you're in a business setting, yeah, you should basically say like, hello, like, not like when you say like to your friends like salut, you don't say that. You basically say like bonjour or bonsoir, good evening or good morning, and then you say it followed by the person's title and name. So for example, you say bonjour, bonjour Monsieur Charles, which means hello Mr. Charles. And then with friends, you basically say salut, like yo salut prime, or you say coucou. Alright, now in formal events, you basically use like bonsoir, good evening, or bienvenue, which means welcome. Now, like for example, you want to say good evening like to somebody. So basically just say bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so now let's do the recap. So bonjour, so now the pronunciation. So bonjour, so like, so it's with the J here. So J in French, it's like J. So you pronounce it bonjour. And then bonsoir, bonsoir, which means good evening. Salut. So it's basically like in English, bonsoir. So just like practice. Practice is the key to master anything. Now bonsoir, bonsoir. So bonsoir. Now salut, like salute, like salute, like soldiers, like they salute. So yeah, basically salut. Like you basically say that among your friends. You cannot say this to other people because it's considered like it's considered like disrespectful, and some like basically just say to your friends and they won't say anything to you. And then au revoir, goodbye. So yeah, au revoir. So O-A-U is basically pronounced as it's basically pronounced as au revoir. Revoir. Wow. Yeah, just like that. Au revoir. So au revoir, A-U-R-E-V-O-I-R. So yeah, French is basically like confusing, Like O is this. How can A-U, like A-U is like not O, right? So like something else. We don't pronounce in English A-U, O, right? So yeah, French it might be a little bit confusing to learn, but eventually you'll get there. Now au revoir, goodbye, and yeah. So business setting, you should say it like respectfully with friends. You say salut or coucou, coucou. And then for formal events, you basically say like welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this French greetings tutorial, which was pretty easy. Now remember, practice is the key. So basically just keep practicing like the pronunciation and then you'll eventually get the hang of it. Alright, so that was it, and have a nice day. Bye.